Hey, what's up you guys? Yuki's channel here. Welcome to my channel again. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a wonderful revolver I ever had. I know you already know, but let's see what's coming. Alright, where's my cutting tool? There it is. Let's open up. Yes, I'm so excited. You know, this is the most exciting moment, don't you think? Oh, I see a new box here. It's upside down. Well, the green box here. Welcome to my house. This is the one. M629, 44 Magnum, 8 inches barrel. It's a Christmas gift for me. Actually, it is too fast. Thank you very much, Mr. Santa Claus. Actually, myself. Well, it's so nice. Actually, this is the first time to purchase revolver, but I'm so excited. Now let's see what's coming with. This one is a user's manual here. Make sure to read later. And also including warning paper, of course. And also including targeting paper, the 2 pieces. Okay, I'll shoot it later. And I'm gonna take the plastic cover here. Then, finally, welcome to my house, new boy. These are 6 cartridges here. It seems like a real scale. I don't know, maybe. This is the hole here to load the BBs to inside. There it is. Of course, there's a security cap in the muzzle. Wow, nice, beautiful. You know, the revolver, I really like the silver and this kind of, you know, rosewood model. Like a grip is always, you know, it should be a like wooden one. It should be brown, and also there's a small metal here. 8 inches is so long. Actually, it's so longer than I thought. Let's push the latch and open the cylinder. Okay, let's try loading cartridge here. I like this sound. Oh, the cocking is a little bit heavy. It's like I can't do one hand. I need 2 hands. Nice. I like this. I love this. I've been waiting to doing this. Okay, next, let's put the bullet in the cartridge. Okay, let's do this. Alright, shooting time. Yeah, it was so fun. I enjoyed. How about you? Yeah, it's really good thing. I really like this one. I love this one. It's really beautiful, nice, good looking. The price for this one is not so expensive. It was it's like just 4,000 yen or something. If you want it, you go to the website and purchase it before sold out. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next again.